When you go to your AliExpress app, you can see 11/11 sale on top. Click on it. Now you can see shopping guide on top. Click on it. There are two offers in 11/11 sale. They are price drop and coupon codes. Price drop reduce 20% from original price of items. You can easily find price dropped items. Go to search bar and find item name you need. You can see 11/11 sale tag in some items. These items have price drop offer. You can get coupons and prices by playing Prize Land game. You can go to that game by clicking on Get Now. You can get free coupon codes in Coupon Center. Click on Coupon Center. You can see your coupon codes here. You can use these coupons when buying items. You can see your collected coupons in your settings. Go to Home. Click on Settings. Click on Coupons.